Hey guys, Thursday, October 24th, 2024. Let's see what the Black Widow wants to do today. As you all know, today is EIA report, so let's see how that's going to play out. But I wanted to show you some things. I'm looking at the December contract, so I think most of you are already trading this contract. We're at the value area low around 297. So we put a low around here. You can say 271, and now we're in this area right here. And this is on the monthly, using a 10-year. On the weekly, we're above it of 294. We're starting to be in this area right here. And on the daily, we just kissed the value area low of 299, pretty much, on the December contract. See, point of control will be 308. Looking at our simple glance chart, pretty much at the bottom here, the MACD is still negative on the weekly. However, the daily is positive. And if I was to just use targets just on this chart, it will probably be the 20 and the 50 and the value. Let's see, or even say what value. So yeah, value area low would be around 315. So far, PPS buy signal. The mobiles are positive. MACD is positive. This is an area of interest right here, anywhere between 308 all the way to 315. And just looking at the cloud, you can see there's a little bit of 306 right there. So far, looks like it wants to go higher, but I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna show. I'm just gonna tell you a couple of things. The commitments of trader report: large speculators are short. So that's going against what we're doing here. They're betting that nat gas is going lower. Commercial is buying, thinking that they are thinking or assuming that nat gas is going to go lower. So large speculators are short, commercial are long, and nat gas is going opposite of large speculators. Also, in regards to the Elliott wave, since it adjusted, is thinking that this is an area, a wave 4, and that a wave 5 is coming in the future. So those are the only two negative things that maybe is a little concerning. Yeah, you know, we got gaps down there. And from the December contract, we were at 241, 242 around there. And this is 297. There's going to be a big gap once it, jumps over. Let's look at our midpoint chart. So far, the monthly, there's really not much unless it's going to go to, 331 around here. This is the low of last year. Well, you could say there's a low here. Looking at the monthly pivots using the weekly chart or daily chart, there's a target of 302 all the way. I think this is probably going to be more realistic, 307 with the moving average around here. And the mobiles looks like they're about to break out, and the Stokes are unwinding to the upside. So the momentum is higher. On the 4-hour, looking at the weekly chart or weekly pivots, we are above the midpoint. So that is a good sign. If we close for whatever reason, once the EIA report comes out, below 290, that's not good. So long as we can stay above 290 for this week or close anywhere around here, that's a good sign. Targets, just looking at the weekly, $3 all the way to 303. That was the last high up here. And the mobiles are positive and Stokes are unwinding higher. And lastly, looking at the hourly, and so far they're buying it. It was quiet here until 740. People are piling in early. So targets, just using the daily. This is more for like scalpers. 301. Your last target will be 304. So if you're long from the overnight, these are your realistic targets to the upside. And then going back, it will probably be 303 all the way to 311. And extreme for this week would be 317. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that, guys.